Alright. I'm taking over Chrissy. Chrissy, I don't know if you can hear me or not. Probably not. But thank you. You're amazing. God, is that you? Maybe. Ayo. What's up, Kirika? How you doing? Hey, Notice. Is your conscious speaking? Yeah. I'd be a pretty kick-ass conscious. Two seconds for prod. I don't know what that means. Hey, PSP. Hey, Baron. What's up, guys? Yeah, fun stream today. These inlays have been kick-ass. They've been really cool to watch. Really fun. These might be some of the most intricate inlays I believe that we've ever done. So, shout out to Karen for giving us our... giving us that work we need. What are these? Ooh. It's the shit. This must have been the stuff that Chrissy was working on. Chrissy took over the cam. Maybe. No, wait. I still see Chrissy on the follow cam. There's so many of them, too. There's no shortage of these vaults. You just borrow one and ship it to me? Is that how you'd want it right there? Unfinished, unsanded? Just sugar in the raw. Yeah, someone mentioned Full Metal Alchemist Brotherhood earlier, and I was like, you get it. You absolutely understand. We got 322. Yeah, we still got a little bit of time. Show you guys the Marblewood whenever someone wants to switch back. I already picked a set of dice as well. Pretty cool set. I'll show you. Bye, Nick. Everyone say bye to Nick. Wait. Hey, focus on you. There, oh, there it is. Bye, Nick. Ah, Niblonians, that's a mood. Very, very heavy mood. Time for the shake test. It's not potent, but the subtlety, it's still really good. Lick it. What do I look like? One that'll just lick things? Does smell like tried and true. All the wood always has... It still maintains its original smell, though, even with the tried and true. It's a nice marriage of smells. If you win, you better lick it for me. What the hell? If you sub right now, I'll lick it for you. Boom. Yeah, that's right. Some people go in hot tubs for subs. I lick wood for subs. What's up, Defish? No, thank you for the gifted. I appreciate it. Oh, it looks like you can't sub yourself now. Anywho, this marblewood is hot. Am I here tomorrow? No, I'm not. Yeah, grain's crazy. Marblewood is definitely... It's wood we don't often offer, so it's really nice.